Namex from the old series of Dragon Ball. So start here with Piccolo. Old Piccolo on the chair. And next one is the Piccolo got younger. And of course Junior Piccolo. So that's it for Piccolo. Now we go to Planet Namex. So here the gurus and the kids. And here we have Lord Slug. Saichoru. Kami. And Neva from Dragon Ball Daima. And of course, I forgot Poronga, the Planet Namex Shenron. And here we go to Nail and the other fighters of the Planet Namek who fought Frieza's force. And here we have Daima Porunga, the Shenron and the Demon World. And here we have the fighters of Universe 6. So that's it for my Namek collection. Namek Diorama.